How can I view my full card number in Google Pay?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an interesting feature in Google Pay, how to view your full card number. Google Pay prioritizes user privacy and security, so it usually hides your full card number. However, you may occasionally need to view it for various reasons. Let's delve in and see how you can do this, step by step. Remember, safeguarding your financial information is crucial, so only follow these steps in a secure environment.
Is it possible to view the full card number?
The first thing to note is that for security reasons, Google Pay doesn't allow you to view the full card number of any card you've added to your account. Google Pay assigns each card a virtual account number, protecting your actual card number. This feature enhances security and protects your information even if your phone is lost or stolen. Therefore, it's essential to keep a separate record of your card details or have the physical card accessible for those details.
What information can I view on Google Pay?
While you cannot view your full card number on Google Pay, you can view certain information related to your card. This includes card nickname. You can customize this to easily identify different cards. Last 4 digits of your card. This can help confirm that the card linked to your account is the correct one. Card network, such as Visa, MasterCard, etc. Bank name, the issuing bank of your card.
How do I access this information?
Here's a step-by-step guide to access your card information on Google Pay. 1. Open Google Pay on your device. 2. At the bottom, tap on Payment. 3. Under Payment Methods, select the card you want to view. 4. You will then be able to see the above-mentioned details of your selected card. In conclusion, while Google Pay doesn't allow you to view your full card number to protect your information, you can still access important details about your card. Always ensure that your financial information is secure. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe online.